Hi, I'm Kierin Barnard from MeCAD Systems, and in this MeCAD Minute I'm going to show you how to create a basic animation in Solidworks. First, as you can see in front of me, we have a component or an assembly that has movement within its mates. So what I mean by that is that we're able to rotate the assembly by using the turn wheel. Okay, so let's go ahead and create the animation. So from here, you can go and select motion study 1, or alternatively create a new motion study. I'm going to create a new one, and I'm now going to go ahead and add in the animation. I would like my workbench to rotate from 90 degrees, or from 0 to 90 degrees, and 0 being the current orientation it's in, and 90 being it standing up vertically. So from here, I'm going to simply go and add in a motor. I'm then going to just determine direction. So from there, select that edge. You'll see now that it's turning anti-clockwise. However, I would like my component to actually turn clockwise. So from there, I can select clockwise. And then I can actually look at my various drive types. So do we need a constant speed drive, or do we need distance? Do we need our component to oscillate and us actually adding in our frequency that we require? Do we want to add in segments? This is adding in data points, for example. Do we want to actually add in data points, but on data points from a displacement time graph, velocity time graph, or acceleration time graph? Or do we simply just want to do it as an expression or a mathematical function? Well, for our example, we're going to do it just as a distance. Like I said, we just wanted to rotate 90 degrees, and from there we can then just simply say distance, type in 90 degrees, and our starting time is 0, so that means your time of the actual animation, and our end time is 5 seconds. Okay, from there we can then say, okay, you'll see now in my animation slider, it actually shows that there is motion happening at the component. Like all animation though, when you add in movement, you need to calculate the motion afterwards. And you'll see I've added in movement. From here, we can then afterwards save our animation out as for example, as a simulation animation, and we can actually share this file with clients. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more to come.